Want to understand native conversations even if you're a beginner? Well, there is an easy way to do it. A special conversation breakdown tool you'll find inside our system. What is it? Keep watching. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Your secret weapon to understanding native conversations. If you're like most beginners, you probably struggle with listening to conversations between native speakers. They speak faster than you're used to. Their words seem to blend in together, and the slow pronunciation that you get from most vocabulary apps simply doesn't prepare you for the real thing. But at the same time, you'd love to be able to understand them and speak like them. Every learner does. So what do? Well, most learners just leave it as, I'm just not good at listening or speaking. But if you're learning with our system, where you learn from everyday conversations, you get a special tool inside every lesson called the line-by-line dialogue. You'll find it inside all of our audio lessons, and it helps you master the conversations in the lessons fast, even if you're a beginner. So how do you learn with it? How to learn with the line-by-line dialogue. So what the line-by-line dialogue does is it breaks the lesson conversation into manageable chunks, one line at a time, and you'll find it right below the lesson. Here's what you can do. First, instead of getting overwhelmed by a whole native speed conversation, you can just listen to each line one at a time, as many times as you want. Just press the play icon. You can also read along as you listen so that you don't miss a word. And you can also review the translations to understand the meaning. Next, you can also practice speaking by recording yourself with the pronunciation practice tool. Just press the microphone icon. This records you saying the line and plays it side by side with the native version. That way, you can compare your pronunciation with the native speakers and keep refining it. So how does all this help beginners master native conversations? This is an example of a learning method called chunking, where you break something into smaller chunks so you can master it faster. Breaking the conversation down like this helps you catch and understand every word, even at native speed. It's much easier to handle one line at a time. For best results, listen to each line 4 or 5 times before moving on. Practice saying them just as much, whether it's reading out loud, shadowing the audio, or recording yourself. Then, you can go back and listen to the whole conversation and easily understand everything. And as a bonus tip, you can use the line-by-line dialogue to practice writing too. Copy the lines into a notebook to reinforce what you've learned. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Using Transportation Conversation PDF cheat sheet. This new cheat sheet teaches you must-know words and phrases like, where can I buy a ticket? How much is the train pass? And much more. Second, do you know how to say Christmas in your target language? With this 1-minute lesson, you'll learn must-know Christmas words like chimney, present, and Santa Claus. Third, want a bonus writing workbook for this winter? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You'll master all the winter words and phrases with this free writing workbook. Fourth, how to talk about holiday gifts. What gift do you want the most this holiday season? With this quick vocab lesson, you'll learn common gift vocabulary like laptop, camera, money, and more. And fifth, tired of apps that only teach you random words? Want an app that teaches you the language through everyday conversations? With innovative language learning, you're exposed to real conversations between real native speakers. And then you get everything slowed down and explained so you can learn the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.